Monsanto Corporation's devastating attack against farmers, their genetically modified frankenfoods, and their neurotoxic pesticides inspired people to push government into legislating certification standards for foods. But thanks to Big Pharma, Bill Gates, and pop culture media brainwashing, Monsanto still stands strong and is ready to take complete control of your food supply, with the help of the same powerful families and foundations who already control the money and the energy. Their plans to do so are comprehensively laid out in a recent report published at Corey Diggs. The indoor vertical farming industry, which is a highly innovative and efficient method, is being funded by Bill Gates and pushed by the World Economic Forum as a replacement to conventional outdoor farming. AeroFarms is the industry leader in vertical farming.
AeroFarms is the leader in vertical farming. We define vertical farming as layer upon layer of plant growth. We grow plants without sun, without soil, and most importantly in fully controlled environments, which allow us to really understand how plant growth works and how to scale plant growth to optimize. And the optimization is key for what I'm about to share. And this is how we can be most impactful to COVID-19. As we all know, part of the ability of humanity to get through COVID-19 is to have therapies and vaccines so we could go upon living our lives. And the challenge is to scale the solutions once they appear. And at AeroFarms, fortunately, we've been working on very specific therapeutic solutions and vaccine boosters, as well as creating a platform to produce proteins for protein-based vaccine solutions. And as some background, about 30% of all vaccines are protein-based. Our part in this solution is to produce the protein that is used as a vaccine or a pharmaceutical ingredient that's manufactured into a vaccine. So first, on the specific therapeutic and vaccine booster we've been working with a leading professor who has used these proteins as a vaccine in animals and has gone through preclinical trials with excellent results to provide confidence to a lot of parties to go into now human trials. And we are working to be the partner to scale up this solution. And our expertise in growing plants to optimize protein production really aligns with this professor and what he's doing. Again, we understand the environmental systems to maximize the proteins, which essentially allows us to grow plants faster, to produce proteins faster in a more cost-effective manner. We have the capacity now to do this and convert one of our existing farms. We've built 10 farms, one of which is the largest vertical farm in the world, and we can convert the capacity of one of our farms to treat pretty much every American and every person in the United States that has symptoms for COVID-19.
Monsanto is creating specially tailored genetically cut seeds for these vertical farms. And the University of California is developing a plant-based mRNA vaccine that farms can grow in heads of lettuce, which happens to be the main crop of these new farms. These GMO farms already provide food at major outlets including Kroger, Walmart, and Whole Foods, and are massively expanding. And it's not only fresh produce that's getting genetically modified. The USDA and FDA have already approved genetic modifications on pigs, salmon, and cattle, and they have approved synthetic lab-grown meat. Bill Gates's Good Food Institute plans to reimagine meat production with $10 million of support from the USDA. Who controls the food supply controls the people. Who controls the energy can control whole continents. Who controls money can control the world.